Blacksmith's vice, and the clever mounting on a substantial trunk. What's even cleverer are the wedges which allow some degree of rise and fall. In this instance it can only rise because the fall has been maxed, and the idea of that is that the stem can then fit neatly into something substantial in the floor, i.e. a piece of concrete. Isn't that clever? There we are. So the wedges, this is a band, and this part could only move up, but if this trunk was slightly lower, you could have that certainly very solidly placed, so that when you started levering on the vice, it wasn't going to move either way. I'm very impressed with that large tree, and that's something different than what I've normally seen. Normally it's just a straight round log, but this is very broad, about 1 metre across. Hope it gives you some ideas for mounting a blacksmith vice.